Welcome you to JD's English Club. Let's learn some basic English sentences. गत रविवार गोटे कार दुर्घटना होइथिला. There was a car accident last Sunday. There was a car accident last Sunday. मोर तुम पाई गोटे प्रश्न अछि. I have got a question for you. I've got a question for you. सेमानक लाइब्रेरी रे गोटे आकर्षणीय पुस्तक अछि. They've got an interesting book in the library. They have got an interesting book in the library. से बालकटीर इंग्रजी रे भल संख्या अछि. The boy has got good number in English. The boy has got good number in English. श्रीजुक्त स्मिथ तुम पाई गोटे चिट्ठी अछि. There is a letter for you, Mr. Smith. There is a letter for you, Mr. Smith. मो पॉकेट रे गोटे कॉइन अछि. I've got a coin in my pocket. I've got a coin in my pocket. मो डेस्क ऊपर गोटे मैगजीन अछि. I've got a magazine on my desk. I've got a magazine on my desk. शिक्षकक डेस्क ऊपर गोटे बही अछि. There is a textbook on teacher's desk. There is a textbook on teacher's desk. छात्रटीर गोटे नुआ खाता अछि. बा आमे जदि एमती भी कहबाकू चाहिबा छात्रटी गोटे नुआ खाता पाइछि सेठी मध्ये आमे एमती कहि परिबा The student has got a new notebook. The student has got a new notebook. वर्तमान लाइब्रेरी रे जणे छात्र अछि. There is a student in the library now. There is a student in the library now. दयाकरी मते फोटो देखांतु. Please show me a photograph. Please show me a photograph. सेमाने घरे काहाकू पाइले नाही. They found nobody at home. They found nobody at home. आउ कॉफी नाही. There is no more coffee. There is no more coffee. से किछि भी पीबा को चाहंतनी. They want nothing to drink. They want nothing to drink. मो पई बसिबा को केउठी जगह नहीं. There is nowhere for me to sit. There is nowhere for me to sit. से एहा विषय रे काहा को भी कहिलेनी. She spoke to no one about it. She spoke to no one about it. मु आउ किछि चाहेनी. धन्यवाद. I want no more. Thank you. I want no more. Thank you. तांको चश्मा बिना से किछि भी देखि पारंतनी. He can see nothing without his glasses. He can see nothing without his glasses. मु पार्क रे काहाकू भी देखि नथली. I saw nobody at all in the park. I saw nobody at all in the park. सेमाने आमको किछि भी खाइबा को देलेनी. They gave us nothing to eat. They gave us nothing to eat. सिनेमा देखिबा परे आमे केउठी भी गलु नाही. We went nowhere after watching movie. We went nowhere after watching movie. गत शुक्रवार तुमे श्रेणी रे काहे कि अनुपस्थित थिलो. Why were you absent from class last Friday? Why were you absent from class last Friday? बगीचारे गोटे गछ अछि There is a tree in the garden. There is a tree in the garden. ऑफिस रे जड़े स्त्री लोक अछंती There is a woman in the office. There is a woman in the office. एही श्रेणी रे जड़े नुआ छात्र अछंती There is a new student in this class. There is a new student in this class. That's it guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope ए वीडियो रे आपन के सिखबा को मिलिथिबो. सो ये थिला हमर किछि बेसिक इंग्लिश सेंटेंसेस. सो ए सेंटेंस गुडी को प्रैक्टिस करंतु. एहा आपन को इंग्लिश कहबारे बहुत सहायता करिवो. Thank you and take care. Keep practicing. Bye.